What do we do? Bear?
I don't know, Mr. Hunter, but Aunt Lucy always says, when you're faced with a problem, sit down and put on your thinking cap. Please excuse me, Mr. Hunter. It seems I sat on the spiky red one.